Okay, so I'm at the salon right now, and Julio is getting a perm. Listen, y'all, in this section of the video, y'all would probably think that this video is staged or whatever happened is staged, but this is not staged. This actually happened. So keep watching and leave a like and subscribe. Listen, y'all, this dude Julio pranked me. I opened the door waiting for someone to pop out so I could start throwing hands or something, dude. But it was this dude Julio. Like, this video is not fake at all. I didn't expect that it was him. I was in the middle of vlogging. But y'all, Julio's getting the perm.
It was funny.
That was not staged at all. It just happened out of nowhere.
You, I heard you, and then you went quiet out of nowhere.
Look at this dude. Oh, that's Julio before he got the perm. Oh, look at
What? Let me see this. You're scaring me.
Somewhere out here right now, yo. Your favorite spot on this channel. Julio's right here. He's better look good. I think. I hope. And his phone's dead too, so he's got to be looking at my phone. Which is kind of bad and good at the same time, because what if I'm texting somebody and he sees what I'm saying, you know?
Can I scroll through TikTok?
I'm filming, dude.
Why?
You like it, but it still got it dry and it's gonna look better.
¿Quieres mirarte en el espejo y ahí te miras bien?
Sí me miro bien. I like it. It reminds me of you.
Yeah. Like, it looks small when you first... You just look so weird. I can't... Oh. But it looks good, though.
Do you still want fake color thing?
I don't know about y'all, but I kind of see it. Neymar? Julio? Neymar, Julio? Is that you? Yeah! So with that being said, that's the end for that perm video. So many kids are getting perms now because of me. I'm starting a new wave, all right? I'm just playing, but I didn't start the wave, but I've been wanting a perm. I just decided to let my hair grow out, and it takes time. It's not like I can just get a perm with short hair. It's not gonna look good. But listen. So I made a video that day. Hakeem came over. We explored the abandoned building. We went over there. That video is gonna be out soon. That video is a good video, so probably by the time you're seeing this, I'm editing it or about to post it. Yeah, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and if you're new, make sure to leave a like and subscribe on this too. And yeah, I got another good video, so stay tuned. It's with me and Hakeem. It's a pretty good, entertaining video. It's pretty long too. A lot of people complain because I got short videos, but this video is gonna be about probably 10 minutes or more. Stay tuned. And road to 1K. 1K!
Is this nigga serious?
I don't think y'all are ready when I hit 1K.
Oh, nigga, you gay!
Subscribe to SoundCloud.
Gay.
That shit is a 2-pack of ass. The fuck are you talking about? That shit stinks. No.
2 hours later.
Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more bangers.